think overcoming resistance to AI adoption requires a combination of dedication and
Hmm.
small-scale success in industry to see what exactly does it do. It frees up space and time for the employee to, as to allow them explore more in thinking and planning and strategizing their next move. Right? I emphasize the importance of starting with a pilot project, for example, showcase tangible value that requires a small investment upfront, cost most times. Transparent communication about AI benefits, like I explained earlier, like to my employees, what do I do? Again and again, we make it, or I make it a point to tell them that AI is here, not to replace you. It is actually here to be your assistant. For example, even in ChatGPT, you can have your own
Hmm.
assistant. You have the code. You create the code. And you can use it in Make.com, for example, as your personal assistant, right? So
So you're
this
saying
is
like
the
it is
function of
helping
AI.
to business to grow. So one has to like keep themselves updated with AI.
Exactly, exactly. Data robots, Microsoft Azure, these are I think, apps out there that can actually further enhance.
Hmm.
Um, And the benefits such as increased efficiency against cost saving, and it also helps to build trust in the organization, right? Because you'll always have a very coherent approach, a very strategic, right? And additionally, demonstrating successful use cases involving team in the AI
Hmm.
journey is essential for any buy-in from, I think, your employees, your clients, I think.
So this is the last question, Koba. What's the key piece of advice would you like to give who is starting their career, young professional, be it any field, whether it's AI, fintech, or any advice you would like to offer? Like what the things are, how they can scale up their learnings, how they can constantly learn the new technology, because you've been there, you've been a master in this field.
Mm, I think for those who
Hmm.
are starting, I I don't know if this would be an advice or it more like a suggestion, I believe.
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
I would say at the moment you can get you can get headache trying to understand the list of AI features and apps out there in the market, and every day we have new features and new functionality being released into production, right? So it's overwhelming. So you might have a hard time to actually indulge and try to figure out which direction you would like to go. To avoid that, I would say identify problems. Identify problems. For you personally, what are the problems that you face?